Here's a question you've probably never asked yourself. Would you marry an AI? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the shocking truth. Recent surveys show that up to 80% of Gen Z in the US would consider marrying an AI entity in the future. Yeah, you heard that right. Not dating, not casual texting, but full-on marriage with artificial intelligence. Now, before you roll your eyes, think about this. We already trust AI to drive cars, diagnose diseases, write essays, and manage our money. So why wouldn't some people trust it with their hearts? This video isn't about science fiction. It's about a real trend sweeping across Gen Z culture. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why Gen Z feels more comfortable with AI partners than real ones. What studies from MIT, Pew Research, and the World Economic Forum say about AI relationships. The emotional, legal, and social consequences if AI marriage actually becomes possible. And what this means for the future of love, family, and society in America. Stick around, because this is going to challenge the way you think about love, technology, and even humanity itself. Let's put this in context. In 2023, Pew Research Center reported that Gen Z is the loneliest and most digitally connected generation in US history. Over 60% of young adults said they felt lonely, frequently, a number that skyrocketed during the pandemic. At the same time, AI companionship apps like Replika, and CarynAI exploded in popularity. People started downloading these apps not just for fun, but for emotional support, late-night conversations, and even virtual romance. And it's not just niche. Goldman Sachs estimates the AI companionship market could be worth billions by 2030. The World Economic Forum predicts that relationships with AI entities will soon become a normal part of society. For a generation that already grew up with TikTok, FaceTime, online dating, and digital friendships, marrying an AI doesn't feel as far-fetched as it might to older generations. Think about it. Millennials were once judged for online dating. Today, it's mainstream. Could AI marriage follow the same path? Section 1. From Tinder to technology. First, it was swipes. Now it's scripts. Dating apps already normalized tech in relationships. Example: over 40% of US couples today meet online. Pew Research. Q&A. So is AI just the next step after dating apps? Yes. For many Gen Z, AI feels like the evolution of digital dating. Section 2. No more ghosting. Imagine a partner who never leaves you on red. AI companions always respond, always remember details. Case: Replika saw a 35% rise in Gen Z subscriptions after adding relationship modes. Q&A. But is it real love? For Gen Z, emotional safety feels real enough. Section 3. The loneliness epidemic. America's loneliness is at record highs. U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy declared loneliness a public health crisis in 2023. Example: a Reddit user shared how their AI companion helped during anxiety attacks. Q&A. So is AI curing loneliness? It's not a cure, but it's filling emotional gaps. Section 4. Designing your soulmate. What if you could build the perfect partner? AI lets you choose looks, voice, personality. TikTok trend: teens showing off AI boyfriends customized like celebrities. Reference: MIT Tech Review reports surging demand for customizable digital partners. Section 5. Gen Z and changing marriage norms. Marriage isn't what it used to be. U.S. Census Bureau. Average marriage age is 30 for men, 28 for women, highest ever. Gen Z sees marriage as optional, not mandatory. Q&A. So why not AI marriage? To them, marriage thought were companionship, not paperwork. Section 6. Safe love versus risky dating. Dating in 2025 feels dangerous. Many Gen Z women say AI partners feel safer than meeting strangers online. Example: during COVID, AI partners spiked in downloads. Reference: Harvard Business Review on digital intimacy trends. Section 7. The economics of AI love. Love is a billion-dollar business. CarynAI made $72,000 in 1 week selling access to her AI girlfriend version, Forbes. Q&A. Is this exploitation or innovation? Both. It's profitable but controversial. Section 8. Legal questions ahead. Could you legally marry an AI? U.S. laws don't recognize AI marriage, but Japan has thousands of symbolic AI marriages. Yale legal experts predict U.S. lawsuits by the 2030s. Q&A. Would America accept it? Not soon, but debates are starting. Section 9. The critics speak out. Not everyone's a fan. Psychologists warn that heavy AI romance could harm social skills. University of Michigan. AI users reported lower satisfaction with human friendships. Q&A. So is it dangerous? It depends how you use it, like social media. Section 10. Gen Z fights back. They said online dating was weird too. In 2000s, online dating was stigmatized. Now it's mainstream. Gen Z argues AI marriage might follow the same pattern. Reference. Pew data shows online dating is now a $4 billion U.S. industry. Section 11. AI love meets AR and VR. What if your AI partner walked beside you in AR? With Apple Vision Pro and MetaQuest, AI companions could appear as holograms. Startups are already building AI avatars for VR weddings. Q&A. Too futuristic? FaceTime once felt impossible too. Section 12. The core question, what do humans really want? This isn't about robots. It's about us. At the heart, AI marriage is about connection, validation, and companionship. Psychology. Today, humans crave being seen and heard. AI can simulate that. Gen Z says, if it feels real, it matters. All right, let's pause. So far, we've seen why Gen Z is leaning toward AI partners: safety, consistency, and customization. But we've also seen concerns about social skills, law, and ethics. What do you think? Would you ever try an AI relationship? Or do you think this is going too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this topic is blowing your mind, smash that like button. It really helps this channel grow. Advanced Insights. Insight 1. AI won't kill love, it will redefine it. Myth. AI relationships mean the end of romance. Truth. It's just another way humans adapt, like online dating once was. Insight 2. Therapy and AI partners. Therapists are already using AI to help clients practice communication skills before dating. Insight 3. Legal chaos is coming. Imagine divorce court between a human and an AI entity. Yale and MIT warn of future digital rights lawsuits. Practical steps viewers can take. 1. Stay open-minded. What's weird today might be normal tomorrow. 2. Parents. Talk with teens about AI companions instead of shaming them. 3. Investors. Watch AI relationship apps. They could be the next billion-dollar industry. Shocking. Fact. World Economic Forum found 20% of Gen Z would consider AI partners as life companions by 2035. Some surveys even report up to 80% open to AI marriage concepts. Conclusion. So, let's wrap this up. Here are the big takeaways. Gen Z is redefining love with AI because they value safety, consistency, and emotional connection. AI marriage isn't legal in the US yet, but cultural momentum is undeniable. Like online dating, what feels strange today could be totally normal in 10 years. Here is my final thought. AI won to replace human love. It will expand the meaning of love in a digital age. Now I want to hear from you. Which tradition do you think AI will disrupt the most? Love, work, or family? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI and tech deep dives, And share this with a friend who would be shocked by this trend. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already here.